Hi, here's a refreshed backstitch tutorial. I start with about 18 inches of floss depending on the project. I'm using all 6 strands for this tutorial and I'm using a size 2 embroidery needle. I start by threading my needle with one end of the floss and tying a knot at the other end. To start the backstitch, bring your needle up through the back of the fabric. Decide how long you want your backstitch to be and push your needle through the front of the fabric. Now bring your needle back up through the fabric a stitch's length away from where your previous stitch ended. To complete your second stitch, push the needle back through the same hole as the end of the last stitch. Continue this process until you finish stitching or have run out of floss. So the back stitch is one of embroidery's most basic stitches. It's great for outlining, it handles curves really well. I do recommend standardizing your stitch length, although there are certain situations where you may have shorter and longer back stitches, maybe if you're doing some lettering. Your stitch length will also depend on how many strands of floss you're using, so you're not going to have very, very short stitches if you're using all 6 strands. That will cause issues with your fabric, maybe some puckering and undesirable things you don't want happening. Okay, so to tie off the stitch, simply weave in your tail on the back of the work by passing the needle through several stitches and then cut. Comment below how you'll use the back stitch. Thanks for watching.